The 2026 Honda G260 Cargo Tricycle marks a significant evolution in the utilitarian vehicle space, blending efficiency, reliability, and affordability into a three-wheeled workhorse. Targeted primarily at urban and semi-urban commercial users, the G260 is engineered to meet the growing demands of last-mile delivery, small-scale logistics, and low-cost freight transportation. With Honda's commitment to quality at its core, the G260 delivers on multiple fronts, standing out as a formidable player in its segment. The tricycle's design emphasizes practicality without completely discarding aesthetics. The front section borrows styling cues from Honda's motorcycle lineup, with a bold headlamp unit, compact fairing, and clear indicators. The rear cargo bed, however, is pure functionality. Its steel construction is robust and well-finished, capable of handling a payload of over 500 kilograms. This ensures that users can transport goods such as groceries, construction materials, or even appliances with minimal fuss. Powering the G260 is a newly developed 215cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine tuned for torque and durability. The power output, although modest on paper, is well calibrated for low and grunt, essential for carrying heavy loads through narrow streets or congested traffic zones. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with Honda claiming over 40 km/L under normal usage, yet an important factor for cost-conscious operators. The transmission is a 4-speed manual gearbox with a reverse gear, a thoughtful inclusion that makes maneuvering in tight alleys or parking spots much easier. Gear changes are smooth, and the clutch has been tuned for progressive engagement, reducing fatigue during frequent start-stop driving. The tricycle also features a robust chain drive system, optimized for minimal maintenance and long-term durability. Riding comfort has received more attention than one might expect for a cargo trike. The front suspension features telescopic forks, while the rear employs dual heavy-duty shock absorbers mounted on either side of the rear axle. The setup handles uneven roads and potholes commendably well, particularly when the vehicle is fully loaded. Vibration levels are surprisingly low, thanks to Honda's refined engine balancing and frame dampening. Braking is handled by a front hydraulic disc and dual rear drum brakes. The system offers adequate stopping power for its class, with progressive bite and stability. While ABS is not offered, likely to keep costs down, the G260's braking performance feels predictable and safe under most conditions. Honda has prioritized reliability over frills, and it shows in the solid mechanical components. The ergonomics are suited for long working hours. The rider's seat is well padded and slightly raised for better visibility, and the handlebar position strikes a balance between comfort and control. The gear lever is placed within easy reach, while the digital analog combo instrument cluster provides essential information like fuel level, speed, and trip data. A USB charging port is also integrated, allowing users to charge mobile devices on the go. Storage solutions are thoughtfully integrated into the cabin. There's a lockable glove box, space beneath the seat for documents or small tools, and optional side compartments that can be fitted as per customer requirements. This makes the G260 not only a carrier of goods but also a mobile office of sorts for micro-entrepreneurs and delivery personnel. Build quality, a hallmark of Honda, remains evident throughout. The welds, paint quality, and panel fitment are excellent for this price bracket. Even the cargo bed feels over-engineered in the best way, capable of withstanding years of daily abuse. Maintenance intervals are generous, and the service network ensures easy access to spare parts and trained mechanics. One of the standout features is the tricycle's tight turning radius. This makes it exceptionally agile in cramped spaces like market lanes, residential colonies, and inner-city industrial zones. The lightweight steering feel further enhances its urban usability, allowing even novice drivers to operate it with confidence. Environmental responsibility has not been overlooked. The engine is compliant with the latest emission standards and includes a secondary air injection system to reduce tailpipe emissions. Honda has also introduced an optional eco mode that slightly adjusts throttle response and ignition timing to maximize fuel economy. For those those operating in hilly areas or regions with steeper gradients, the G260 offers more than just raw power. Its torque-rich performance and excellent weight distribution ensure good traction and climbing ability, even when fully loaded. The tricycle's center of gravity has been carefully managed to avoid tipping, and its wide rear stance provides additional stability. Customization options are plenty, from roof covers and side panels to upgraded lighting and auxiliary storage bins. Honda offers these as factory-fitted or dealer-level accessories, allowing businesses to adapt the G260 to their specific operational needs. Whether it's a milk vendor needing insulation or a courier requiring sealed compartments, the G260 adapts easily. Noise insulation has seen a slight improvement compared to previous models. Although the engine does make itself heard under hard acceleration, it remains relatively quiet during steady cruising. This is beneficial not just for the operator, but also in residential areas where noise complaints could be an issue. Affordability is another area where the G260 excels. Honda has priced it aggressively while ensuring that quality is not compromised. Combined with low running costs, impressive fuel economy, and a strong resale value associated with the Honda brand, the G260 becomes a compelling value proposition for small businesses and independent operators. The 2026 Honda G260 Cargo Tricycle is more than just a three-wheeled vehicle, it's a business enabler. With its focus on reliability, versatility, and cost efficiency, it sets a high benchmark in the utility trike category. Whether you're a street vendor, delivery professional, or a small-scale logistician, the G260 delivers a dependable and smart solution for your daily transport needs.